In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can record phone calls on your iPhone running iOS 26. This is going to work on future iOS versions as well. So if you're on a future version, don't worry. But before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, we're going to enable the feature and then I'll show you how to record a call step by step. Just quick reminder, call recording laws do vary by country and state, so make sure both sides consent before recording. First things first, to enable this, open up your settings app and scroll all the way down to the app section right here. And then either find phone on here or just search for it. I'm going to search for it just like so. After you search for it though, go ahead and scroll down until you see this audio call recording section right here. Select it and just make sure it is ticked on. Now your iPhone's going to be ready to record those calls. From here, open up that phone app and place a call like normal, and once that call is connected, just tap more on your call screen and you're going to see an option for record call. Go ahead and tap on it. Unfortunately, I'm not able to demonstrate that just since I am screen recording right now. But essentially, as soon as you do that, it's going to do a little 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then it's going to say call enabled. And then it's going to say something out loud like call recording has been enabled. And when you end that call, you just got to hit that exact same button and it's going to say call is no longer being recorded out loud so that both parties can hear that information. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Your recordings are going to be stored in your Notes app. Just open up that Notes app and you're going to find that audio file and a full transcription of that call. It really is as easy as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.